Do push-ups, so I say stop.
Yes, sir, man.
Back in the box. Oh.
Altogether, there's 800. We're putting together 200 that just need a little bit like wheels, and that's about it. I think I put together probably like 30 so far. I joined the Guard to one, just better myself, and two, like definitely help people who are in need.
Today we're assembling generators so we can distribute them out to polling sites so the people of New York City, Long Island, Staten Island are able to cast their vote tomorrow during the election. We have approximately 40 soldiers that we brought down here. We set them up in teams of 3 in sort of an assembly line fashion. They're putting together the generators, taking them over to the oiling station where we oil them up, and then they proceed to the fueling station where we fuel them up, start them up, and test them out to make sure that they work. It's important to us that civilians have the right to vote, and we want to make sure that on election day that they can cast their ballot in accordance with, their constitutional rights. The whole relief process has been a good experience for everybody. We love coming down here and helping out the best we can. Unfortunately, a lot of people lost their houses and everything, but this is our job, this is our mission to make sure we can help them out any way we can to kind of bring them back to a normal lifestyle.